Welcome back, 18! After their electrifying Fest Zone 7th year anniversary concert at the iconic Araneta Coliseum, SB19 did a heartfelt post-show interview with Araneta, sharing reflections on their journey and deep gratitude for their fans, 18. In this exclusive moment, the members opened up about the highs and lows of their 7-year career. From humble beginnings to global stages, SB19 credited 18 for being their constant source of strength and inspiration.
Ano bang pakiramdam?
Actually po, yung pagpa-perform sa Araneta again right now is very kakaiba yung feeling nun. Knowing na celebrating namin we're celebrating yung 7th year. Kasi nga, yung Araneta naging parang bahay na namin siya. From the past years, we've been performing here sa Araneta almost like how many times in a year. So, nakakatuwa lang na sakto rin po sa concept namin ng simula at wakas. We're celebrating 7th year and we're still going back kung saan kami nagsimula. So just like here sa Araneta, dito kami nagsimula. It's one of the first biggest stages na tungtungan namin. So we're very thankful that Araneta is always welcoming us. So maraming salamat, Araneta.
Siguro it's because we try to control, of course, our each other. I mean, in terms of emotions, na we try to keep every achievement and every failures as it's okay. We have to move on. We have to make new music, and we have to, of course, take care of the people around us. And sometimes it gets you to the point na parang pag super nakaka-excite kasi, tas na-disappoint ka, minsan wala siya ng motivation. So for us, we just keep on going. We know that we have each other, we have our team, we have the fans. And siguro yun yung isa sa mga main reasons but kinikip namin yung feet namin on the ground. And of course, we always try to look back. Saan nga ba kami talaga nagaling?
Of course, for 18, actually, lagi naman namin sinasabi na we're very thankful, we're very happy na kasama namin kayo sa lifetime na to. Pero, ang totoo talaga niyan ay mas masaya kami na nakita namin kayo at nakilala namin ng isa't isa. Dahil, pag binalikan naman natin to mula noon, ang punot dahilan talaga nito ay kayo talaga. Noong mga panahon na akala namin doon na magtatapos lahat, dumating kayo para simulan ulit at bigyan ulit ng apoy yung pangarap namin. At nandito kami ngayon dahil yun sa inyo, dahil yun sa mga binibigay ninyong inspirasyon para sa inyo. Nagkakamali kayo. Kayo ang inspirasyon namin. Dahil hindi naman namin gagawin ng mga to kung hindi rin dahil sa support at pagmamahal nyo. So, I think, masayang-masaya kami na hanggang ngayon ay kumpleto tayo at patuloy na dumadami. Sana marami pa tayong ma-achieve together and sana ready pa rin kayo kahit gaano man katagal tayo abutin at kung ano pa may mga mangyari sa atin, sana nandiyan pa rin kayo. Ayun, thank you so much and always remember that SB19 loves you.
Happy 7th year!
Happy 7th!